It's time for action. And when there's action, there's sweat. I'm Greg Reese, and I'm going to show you 2 methods to help get rid of your tough sweat stains from around the collar and the underarm. Depending on your activities, there can be extra debris on your clothing, so start by brushing or shaking your materials. Then use cold water on the areas with sweat stains. This will neutralize the sweat and other chemicals that may toughen the stain. Be sure to check the care label before using any product on your material. Method number 1. Using household items. Use 1/2 cup of baking soda and 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Mix with cold water and apply to material. Then work into stained areas. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then continue with regular wash. Method number 2. Using a stain-fighting product. If it's okay for your clothing, rinse in cold water. Pre-treat sweat-stained area with tough stain-fighting product. Work product into your sweat-stained area, soak, and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. After those steps, most of the sweat stains may be gone, but they can be stubborn, so repeat if necessary. Then, wash with your regular detergent in the washing machine according to the care label instructions. The label should also tell you what temperature and what cycle to use. Then, you should have stain-free material and clothing. It's Greg Reese, helping you to remove tough stains.
Gravy tastes great when it goes to your mouth from your plate, but it can be a pain to remove a gravy stain, especially when it sets in your clothes or other material. I'm Danielle, and today I will show you how to remove your tough gravy stains. First, remove any gravy and or food that remains on your clothes or other material after the spill. Blot with a clean cloth and water if you are out and cannot rinse. If you can, rinse in cold water to dilute the stain. Pre-treat with stain release product or dish detergent to remove oily part of the stain. Then wash with your regular detergent. In the washing machine, review care label instructions before using any removal product. Remove gravy stains from your tablecloth or material placemat. You will need a small cup of grease-fighting dishwashing liquid. Use toothbrush, dip it into the liquid, gently brush the liquid onto the stains. Brush lightly so the fabric will not get damaged. When you have brushed liquid onto every stain, it is ready to be washed. Repeat steps if needed. Remove gravy stains from your carpet. Sprinkle baking soda or other absorbent on the stain. Let stand for 10 to 15 minutes and then vacuum. Using a clean white cloth, sponge the stain with a cleansing solution. Blot until the solvent is absorbed. Repeat steps until the stain disappears and is no longer absorbed into the cloth. These are a few steps to keep your clothing, carpet, and materials stain-free. It's Danielle, helping you to remove tough stains.
Grass stains are some of the hardest stains to remove. They can be very stubborn. I'm Greg Reese, and I'm going to give a few steps to help you get rid of your grass stains. Start by removing or brushing extra grass and debris from your materials. Be sure to check the care label before using any stain removal product on your material. If it's all right, pre-treat the grass-stained area with a tough stain-fighting product. Work product into your material and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. You can also add the stain fighter to the material, fill the sink with water, work material, and then let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. After those steps, most of the grass stains may be gone, so you should be in good shape. Then, wash with your regular detergent in your washing machine according to the care label instructions. The label should also tell you what temperature and wash cycle to use. In addition, the label should tell you if you are able to use bleach, which can also help get rid of your grass stains. Again, grass stains are very tough, so repeat the above steps if needed. Then, you should have stain-free materials and clothing. It's Greg Reese, helping you to remove tough stains.
Pet stains and odors are some of the hardest to remove. They seem to stick around in your carpeting and fabric forever. I'm Susan, and I'm going to give a few steps to help you get rid of your tough pet stains and odors. Start by wearing rubber gloves to protect your skin. Remove or brush any excrement or extra debris from your carpet, fabric, or material. Be sure to check the care labels before using any pet stain removal products on your materials. If it's alright, pre-treat the area with a tough pet stain fighting product. For the carpet, you can work in the product and scrub with a brush or cloth. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Scrub lightly until stain is gone. Let dry and use carpet freshener for a fresh, clean scent. If odors or stains remain, repeat until satisfied. For clothing, you can add a non-pet stain fighter to the material. Fill the sink with water, work material, and then let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Wash with your regular detergent in the washing machine according to the care label instructions. The label should also tell you what temperature and wash cycle to use. Again, pet stains and odors are very tough, so repeat the above steps if needed. Then you should have pet stain-free carpet, material, and clothing. It's Susan helping you to remove tough stains.